What is the ultimate laser creation? Think big, yet implement extraordinary details. The upgrading of technology combined with the integration of intelligence. Creativity bursts forth new energy in optical technology. Good laser takes the ultimate creation experience as its product development concept configured various easy-to-use and powerful functions. Imagine your magic power just like the Midas touch, your millions fantasy and countless fleeting inspiration sparks. Now, you have a magic box, the Light 530, to help you achieve it. Good laser holds every detail of production and research to top standards. To realize more of your possibilities and retain more of the beauty in life, every cutting is a search for perfection. Every creation is the ultimate experience of design. Let up your free mind, realizing our imagination has never been easier. It changes our work and life with its unique fascination. When good lasers machine is applied in the classroom combined with the breakthrough traditional STEAM curriculum teaching, teachers and students to teach and learn effectively in an immersive world of technology and creativity. The eco-friendly design to escort smart education. Empower innovation education with science and technology. Create every memorable moment. Ultra Laser for limitless creativity.